Helicopters are used in agriculture for spraying crops with pesticides, herbicides, or fertilizers to enhance their growth and protect them from pests and diseases. Helicopters can fly low and slow over fields, allowing for precise application of these chemicals to specific areas of crops. The times when cotton was harvested by slaves are long gone. Today, these amazing machines are doing it. Modern cotton harvesting machines are a true wonder of agricultural engineering. These machines work by first stripping the cotton bolls from the plants using rows of spindles, then separating the cotton from the seeds and other debris using a series of fans and filters. Finally, the cotton is compressed into large bales that can be easily transported and processed. The Tesmec Evo Surface Miner is a powerful machine designed for mining and excavation. It's designed for use in various mining and excavation applications, including surface mining, trenching, and road construction. Its compact size and maneuverability make it easy to operate in tight spaces, while its durable construction ensures reliable performance even in harsh conditions. It's a radish harvester designed and manufactured by Univerco, a Canadian company specializing in the production of agricultural equipment. It's equipped with a series of oscillating blades that cuts the radish from the soil. The machine then conveys the radish up a series of cleaning belts which remove any dirt or debris from the root vegetables. Now you see the self-propelled fertilizer spreader, the Vervet Hydrotrike with attachments, Veenhouse Uroject 3500. Using the right method of distribution fertilizer allows you to maximize all the properties and keep emissions to the atmosphere to a minimum. By adopting this technology, farmers can optimize their use of resources, reduce waste, and contribute to a more sustainable and environmentally friendly agricultural sector. Tigges Perlit is a heavy-duty cultivator designed for use in commercial farming applications. It is manufactured by Tigges, a German company that specializes in producing agricultural equipment. The Perlit model is designed to be used with tractors and other farm machinery, and it is known for its high-quality construction and durability. The cultivator has a working width of 3 meters and a total weight of around 900 kilograms. Another high-powered tractor that is designed to provide farmers with the performance, efficiency, and reliability they need to get the job done is the Case IH Steger Quadtrac 550. Its 4-track design provides several advantages over traditional wheeled tractors, including increased traction, reduced soil compaction, and improved maneuverability. The 4 tracks also help to distribute the weight of the tractor more evenly, which can help to reduce soil damage and improve overall field performance. Front cutter blowers, or FCBs, are a type of snow removal equipment used primarily in regions that receive heavy snowfall during winter. These machines are designed to be attached to the front of a tractor and are used to cut and move snow out of the way. The FCBs consist of a large rotating blade located at the front of the machine that is used to cut through the snow. The CAT 6040 excavator is specifically designed for large-scale mining operations and heavy-duty excavation projects. With a weight of approximately 1,400 tons, this excavator is one of the largest hydraulic excavators in the world. These include a high-capacity bucket, which can hold up to 34 cubic meters of material, and a powerful hydraulic system that allows the operator to move large amounts of earth and rock quickly and efficiently. A bucket wheel excavator is a large piece of heavy equipment used in surface mining to extract minerals from open-pit mines. In a lignite quarry, bucket wheel excavators are typically used to extract lignite, which is a type of low-grade coal that is used primarily for energy production. The excavator is equipped with a large rotating wheel, or bucket wheel, that is fitted with a series of digging buckets. Additionally, it can be operated in a variety of weather conditions, making them highly versatile and reliable. Bale forks are an essential piece of farm machinery that is used to move and transport large hay bales. They consist of a set of sturdy prongs that are attached to a tractor or loader, allowing farmers to easily lift and move bales from one location to another. One popular model of bale forks is the TDD series from Goweil Maschinenbau GmbH. They can be used with a wide range of bale sizes and shapes, making them ideal for a variety of farming operations. The Wirtgen W2000 is a powerful and versatile cold milling machine that is designed to make quick work of even the toughest asphalt and concrete surfaces. This machine is equipped with a range of advanced features and technologies, making it a top choice for professionals in the construction and road building industries. The drum is designed to be durable and long-lasting, ensuring that it can withstand even the toughest milling jobs. Digging the soil with a tracker is a common practice in agriculture for various purposes, such as planting, plowing, harvesting, and landscaping. The tractor is equipped with a suitable attachment, such as a plow, cultivator, or harrow, depending on the desired outcome. The attachment is connected to the tractor's hydraulic system, which powers the attachment and allows for adjustment of the depth and angle of the blade. This trimming machine from an Italian company called Orlandi makes gardening look easy. The trimmers can cut hedges and plants into perfect spheres within seconds. They come with adjustable frames, allowing the gardener to set the cutting height to match their plants. The AHWI M650 Forest Mulcher is a powerful machine designed for heavy-duty land clearing and forestry applications. It features a high-performance hydraulic motor that drives a cutting rotor equipped with sharp teeth, allowing it to shred trees, stumps, brush, and other vegetation quickly and efficiently. The specialized harvester, Earth Eater Super II, is used for harvesting tulip bulbs. With its powerful cutting blades and conveyors, the Earth Eater is able to lift and sort bulbs quickly and accurately, while ensuring that they're handled with care. The EcoVolve electric dumper is a cutting-edge electric vehicle designed for use in a wide range of applications, including construction, landscaping, agriculture, and more. One of the key benefits of the EcoVolve electric dumper is its eco-friendly design. This machine is powered entirely by electricity, eliminating the need for fossil fuels and reducing carbon emissions. The Diegelmann King is a heavy-duty rock picker designed to make clearing rocks from fields an efficient and easy process. This machine is ideal for farmers and contractors looking to save time and money while maximizing productivity. The machine is equipped with a large, high-capacity hopper that can hold a large number of rocks, and it features a hydraulically driven reel that rotates and collects rocks.
Greetings, we are glad to have you on our channel. Our channel, Smart Tech, frequently shares videos showcasing cutting-edge agricultural machinery, industrial equipment, and heavy-duty trucks that work tirelessly to meet human demands. We highly value your feedback, so please inform us of your preferences for the upcoming videos and we'll make sure to cater to your needs. Additionally, please remember to share, like, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest uploads. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.